Hi friends, do remember to hit the bell icon to get notifications from my channel whenever I upload a new video. What's up YouTube and welcome to this brand new video. Today we'll be looking at MS Office for iOS and we'll be doing a demo on the iPad. Now do remember that this is going to be a three-part video and today we'll be looking at MS Office Word. So let's get started. So to download these apps, that's Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint, all you need to do is to go to the App Store and download them. And yes, they are absolutely free. So let's open Microsoft Word. So when you first open Microsoft Word, you get an option to choose from many templates. However, to create and edit documents, you need to have a Microsoft account. I already have an account, so I'm going to quickly sign in. So once you sign in, you can directly start creating and editing documents, or you can choose to upgrade to Office 365. Office 365 gives you an option of extra features in MS Office on iOS. Also gives you 1 TB storage in OneDrive. So you can choose whichever plan suits you. We are not going to upgrade right now and we are going to start creating and editing a document. You can start by choosing from any of the available templates, or you can start with a blank document. So I'm going to start with a blank document. And if you look at the interface, it looks very similar to how MS Office Word looks on a PC. So you have your home button, insert, draw, layout, review and view. So I have some sample text that I've already copied, so I'm going to paste it. So let's start formatting this particular text. So if I go back to home, I can select the text and change the font that I want. So I like this font, so I'm going to change this. I'm going to change the font size to 14 and I'm going to press bold to make it bold. Say if I want some of the words to be italics, say this word, I can change it to italics. I can also choose any of the word and highlight the same. I can hit enter and I can change paragraphs. So I can also insert a title above this. So if I say Lorem title and I want to change the formatting for this and make it look like a title, I can directly go up to this menu and make this as heading 1, right, and it says bold and I'll get it to the center. So that's how you create a document in MS Office Word, and you can choose multiple options to format your text. You can also go to the insert tab, insert any shapes that you want. So say I like this shape, I can place it anywhere that I like. I can modify, I can also change color. I can also use the draw option and use markers. This is specifically for the iPad, and if I want to say highlight any specific text, I can do it manually also. I can choose any color that I want. I can change the width of the marker also. So if you go to the layout option, you can choose the margins that you want. So I say I like narrow margins. I can choose the orientation of the document. I can choose a specific size that I like. I can also make this into a 2-column document and also can insert page breaks. So let's say that you've already created a document and now you need to save it. So if you go to the top left corner on the second button, if you click that button, you have the option to name this file. So currently it's named as document 3. I'm going to save it as demo word and hit return. I can save this document either on my OneDrive account, or I can also save it to this iPad, or I can add a place that I want to save it to. So I can save it to any of these other options which are there, so I can save them as well. So I'm going to just save this to this iPad and it's under draft. So once you have saved the document, it's time to share the document with your colleagues. So in the right top corner, if you press that button, you can either invite people to make changes to this document or even send a copy to your friend. You can send it with the default mail app, or you can send it using Outlook. You can choose the kind of format that you want to send the document. So you can send it in a Word document or a PDF document. So that's how you create and edit documents on MS Office Word for iOS. So that concludes our first part of this 3-part series. In the next video, we'll be looking at MS Office PowerPoint for iOS. If you've liked this video, do remember to hit the like button comment and share this video with your friends, and as always, please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. Thank you very much.